Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today what I want to show you is how to transplant your pansy seedlings here. So this is one of my pansy seedlings. You can see the root system on it, really nice root system. I'm just roughing the roots up on it here some so that the roots don't keep growing in that circle and they actually grow out. I'm using about a 4-inch container here, and I already have some soil put into it. So I'm going to be putting my pansy in here, and I am leaving a little barrier between the top of the pansy and the top of the pansy's root ball and the top of the container. And the reason why I'm doing that is so that when I water it, my water doesn't spill out all over the place. So I'm taking my little tools here. I'll have a link down in the description for these. They're really nice for working around your little seedlings and plants, especially when you're transplanting. And I'm just filling it around here. Go. And I'm sorry for the video delay on this. Now I'm not going to cover over top of the root ball. I'm just filling in around it there. A little bit more over here. Now when I water this, this will soak down on me. So I'm just going to get my water for this, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm going to water this here. And as that's soaking up its water, something else I want to talk to you about. Now this pansy here got a little bit taller than what I had wanted it to, and I wanted to get bushy. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to look through the leaves here, and I'm going to find the base of this top growing piece. Now if your plant has blooms on it, it's going to delay your blooming. But what I'm actually going to do with this is I'm going to top this plant. And I'm just going to take down to it here, very top, and I pinched it out. So you can see right here. And I pinched the very top of the plant out. And this will actually give me a more bushier pansy seedling now. So if you don't want to pinch your top out, you'll have a taller plant. It won't be as bushy. But if you want a really bushy plant, then go ahead and just pinch that top piece out there. And now all of these side shoots here are going to start growing out. So this here is soaking up its water. It is running out the bottom, but it didn't take all the water up yet for the actual thing. It's still really light. When I'm finished watering this, I'm going to take it back over to the growing area with the lights. Now, I did put a tag in this to label it for which one it is, because I'm growing a mix. This is the Swiss Giants mix, and I'm also growing the Swiss Giants orange. So, I just labeled this one here so I know that this one here is part of the mix series. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and you can also follow my Twitter account. You can follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description, and you can get updates on there about what I'm growing, what videos are going to be coming up, some gardening tips and different things on there. So you can check that out, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!